If you're a boat owner, you know the anxiety of water accumulating in your bilge. It can lead to serious damage and safety issues. Here are the 5 best options I found and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Seaflow 06 Series Automatic Bilge Pump, priced at just $23.99. What caught my attention was its impressive 750 gallons per hour flow rate, making it a solid choice for keeping your boat dry. If you want a reliable way to manage water in your bilge, this is worth a serious look. This pump is designed with a built-in float switch that automatically activates when water levels rise. No manual fussing required. It runs on 12-volt DC power, making installation straightforward with standard marine systems. The 3/4-inch outlet diameter ensures compatibility with most hoses. The high-performance 5-blade impeller means you can trust this pump to keep up with any water that enters your bilge. With over 1,000 units sold in the last month, it's clear that many boaters are relying on this pump for peace of mind. Now, some users pointed out that it can be a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing though, while noise might be bothersome for some, it's a small price to pay for a pump that does its job effectively. If you're in a quiet marina, that noise could be an issue, but for most, it won't overshadow its reliability. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, automatic pump that does the job without any hassle. Skip this one if you're highly sensitive to noise in your boat while it's running. It's a fantastic value that makes keeping your bilge dry a breeze. Now, if the 750 GPH flow rate caught your eye, but you want something with even more power, the next option is a serious contender. Product number 2. Seaflow 06 Series 1100 GPH Pump. The Seaflow 06 Series Automatic Submersible Bilge Pump, which ups the ante with a flow rate of 1,100 gallons per hour, available for $24.99. This caught my eye for its powerful performance while still being compact. If you want serious water evacuation, this one deserves your attention. This pump features an integrated float switch that activates automatically, and you'll never have to worry about manually turning it on. Its current draw is efficient, running at just 3.0 AA, and it can handle heavy-duty conditions with ease. The quick-release strainer makes it easy to maintain, ensuring uninterrupted performance. Plus, it's backed by a 4-year warranty, which is pretty impressive for peace of mind. But here's the downside. A few customers mentioned that it can struggle with heavy debris. Now, some might see this as a deal breaker, but here's my perspective. If you regularly maintain your bilge and keep it free from large debris, this pump will serve you well. It's really a non-issue for most casual boaters. This is ideal for you if you want a reliable pump that effortlessly keeps your bilge dry without frequent monitoring. Skip this if your boat sees a lot of rough conditions and heavy debris. For the price, it's a great investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want an even higher flow rate. Product number 3. MaxZone 1100 GPH Non-Automatic Pump. We have the MaxZone Submersible Boat Bilge Water Pump. I was surprised by how much power it packs at this price point. If you're looking for a straightforward, reliable pump, this one is worth a look. This pump delivers a flow rate of 1100 GPH, which is impressive for its size. It's designed for various marine applications, from fishing boats to small yachts. Its non-automatic operation means you'll need to monitor it, but it's great if you prefer hands-on control. With a maximum head of 13 feet, it's suitable for a variety of setups and conditions. The durable ABS construction can handle the harsh marine environment, ensuring longevity. However, some users found it less efficient with larger volumes of water. Here's the thing though, this pump excels in smaller setups or when used in conjunction with other pumps. If you're looking for a budget option for non-critical situations, this can fit the bill. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY boater who prefers manual operation and has a smaller vessel. Skip this if you need a pump for heavy-duty or emergency use. At this price, it's an excellent value for casual use. Now, if you're looking for something with even more power, the next product on the list will blow your mind. Product number 4, Seaflow 01 Series 2000 GPH Pump. The Seaflow 01 Series 2000 GPH bilge pump is a powerhouse, priced at $54.99. I was genuinely impressed by its high performance, and if you need serious water evacuation capacity, this is a must-see. With its robust 2000 GPH flow rate, this pump can handle serious water quickly and efficiently. It has a built-in anti-airlock feature, ensuring you won't get stuck when you need it most. The durable stainless steel construction means it can withstand tough marine environments. It's rated for both salt and freshwater, making it incredibly versatile. Plus, with a 4-year warranty, Seaflow stands by their product, which is comforting. But there's a catch. It draws a higher current of 8.5A compared to others. Some might find this a drawback, especially if battery life is a concern. However, if you're serious about boating and need a pump that can handle emergencies without hesitation, this trade-off is worth it. This is ideal for you if you're a frequent boater or have a larger vessel that needs reliable drainage. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight or if you're a casual boater. It's a solid investment for anyone serious about keeping their boats safe. Alright, that was a heavy-duty option, but if you're looking for a complete kit, the next product might be perfect for you. Product number 5, Jinyen's 1100 GPH Bilge Pump Kit, which is a fantastic deal at $19.99. I love that it comes with everything you need, and if you want a complete solution, this is it. The kit includes the 1100 GPH pump, a 6.5-foot hose, clamps, and a through-hole fitting, making installation a breeze. It's made from high-quality materials that resist moisture and chemicals, ensuring durability. The pump's performance is solid, and the removable filter base simplifies maintenance, so you can keep it running smoothly. However, some reviewers noted that it can be a bit bulky for tight spaces. Now, I'll be real with you. If you're working in a cramped engine compartment, this could pose an issue. But for most applications, especially if you have some space to work with, this pump kit is a great option. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a comprehensive kit to get your bilge pump set up quickly. Skip this if you're very limited on space in your boat. For the price, it's a fantastic value that gives you everything you need. So if you're after a complete, cost-effective solution, this one's definitely worth considering. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Seaflow 01 Series 2000 GPH pump because it offers the reliability and power you need in critical situations. I'd recommend avoiding the max zone if you require a pump for heavy-duty use, since it's more suited for casual applications. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.